Your bag is overweight. You need to pay extra. You look at the screen. 28 kilos. The limit is 23. People are waiting behind you. You feel nervous. How much is the fee? Can you remove something? What should you say? Today, we're going to practice this situation step by step. Hello, and welcome to Royo English. I'm Ryan. This is Easy English Shadowing. At the airport, small problems can feel big. One common situation is overweight luggage. You arrive early. Everything is ready. Then the scale shows a higher number. Suddenly, you need to make a decision. Pay the extra fee? Move items to your carry-on? Remove something from your bag? Today, you'll hear a short, real-life story about an overweight bag at check-in. First, just listen. Then, we'll break the situation into clear, practical sentences. You'll practice them step by step. And finally, you'll hear the full story again at natural speed. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to say when your bag is too heavy. Let's begin. Last month, I arrived at the airport early for my flight. Everything was going well. I walked to the check-in counter and placed my suitcase on the scale. The staff member looked at the screen. "Your bag is overweight," she said. I felt a little nervous. "How much is the extra fee?" I asked. "It's $40, she replied. I thought for a moment. "Can I move some items to my carry-on?" I asked. "Yes, you can," she said. I opened my suitcase. I took out a jacket, a pair of shoes, and a book. I put them into my backpack. Then I closed the suitcase and placed it on the scale again. "Could you check the weight again, please?" I asked. She looked at the screen. "Perfect. It's under the limit now," she said. I smiled. It wasn't a big problem, just a simple solution. Now, let's practice the key sentences. Listen first. Then speak with me. How much is the extra fee? How much is the extra fee? Can I move some items to my carry-on? Can I move some items to my carry-on? Is there another option? Is there another option? What is the weight limit? What is the weight limit? How many kilos is it over? How many kilos is it over? Can I remove a few things from my suitcase? Can I remove a few things from my suitcase? Is this okay now? Is this okay now? Could you check the weight again, please? Could you check the weight again, please? Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Is everything okay now? Is everything okay now? Now, let's listen to the full story again at natural speed. Last month, I arrived at the airport early for my flight. Everything was going well until I placed my suitcase on the scale at check-in. The staff member looked at the screen and told me my bag was overweight. I asked, "How much is the extra fee?" She told me it was $40. I didn't want to pay extra, so I asked, "Can I move some items to my carry-on?" She said yes. I opened my suitcase, took out a jacket, a pair of shoes, and a book, and put them into my backpack. Then I placed the suitcase on the scale again. I asked, "Could you check the weight again, please?" She checked it and said it was now under the limit. I felt relieved. It was not a big problem. Just calm questions and simple solutions. Before we finish, here are 2 practical tips. Number 1. Ask about your options before you pay. Simple questions like, "Is there another option?" "Can I move some items to my carry-on?" can save you money. Number 2. Stay calm and speak clearly. Airport staff deal with this situation every day. Clear, polite questions help you solve the problem quickly. Next time you travel, check the weight limit before you leave home. If your bag is too heavy, don't panic. Ask one clear question. Speak slowly. You don't need perfect English, just clear English. Has your luggage ever been overweight at the airport? What did you do? Write one full sentence in English in the comments. For example, "My suitcase was overweight, so I moved some items to my backpack." In the next episode, we'll practice what to say if your luggage is missing after you land. Simple sentences, real-life situations, step by step. See you in the next Easy English Shadowing episode. Goodbye.